Always learning.
Hey, yes. No. What? Leave my brother alone.
Can you get
I should do what?
Yes.
You protected your
Yes,
Mr. Bookworm.
Brown! Oh, excuse us!
Oh. Leave him out of this.
Alright.
Let me take you out.
You're naughty girl, don't mind.
Mr. Bookman!
You
You don't have a brother of
He wants to win SRC president or what? Who will give it to him?
Wow! I know you! I trust you!
Hey, yeah!
you think all this is going to take you? It's so pathetic, heart-rending to see swine wholeheartedly, zealously nose-diving into destruction. Jacinta, what kind of dressing is this? New Florence, look at you. And you, medical student. You think all this is going to help you make your grades? Disgusting. Now, truly, that way you want to go?
No, just it's an assignment.
Shut up! No wonder a whole lot of men won't spend a dime on girls like you. Even confirmed sluts have better morals than you. You shut up there! It's anybody's guess which men will take you for wives.
I know it's that boy Siama, your so-called brother that reported us to your father. No,
I always said it. That boy is nothing but a fool.
That boy is here. Let's get back to campus.
Trudy, we have that here.
Get out, it's enough. Get out.
Ah! Out!
Out.
Friend.
Yeah, ADOM.
My brother friend.
Yeah, Charlie, you take your seat.
Thank you very much. Oh Lord.
Yeah, you were saying something over the phone. Are you sure this thing is going to fetch as much money as you would want me to believe? I don't think I like the idea, I'm certainly not keen on it.
I'm not only sure, I am very certain that this will work. Look here, many people in this country use this product. The rich use it, the poor, and many other groups. Look here, you. How many bathroom slippers do you have in your home? I have 5 pairs, more than 5 pairs in my home.
Okay. Since you are so convinced it's going to work, why don't you go ahead and do it so we see what comes out of it?
You know, Frimpong, you know I can raise such an amount on my own. That is why I came here to discuss it with you. Frimpong, I can't afford to lose this big time business. Please help me out, for all time's sake.
Then why don't you get a loan from the bank?
This is 20,000 Ghana cedis I'm talking about. How can I secure such an amount?
No, you are not saying that I should give you 20,000 Ghana cedis, are you?
Frimpong, this will be a loan in every aspect of the word. I will pay.
That's a lot of money we're talking about. Now I'm owing the bank, you know. Do you have any idea about what's going to happen to me if you don't pay back that money, assuming I give it?
I know, Fabo. I know this is very difficult. But you trust me on this. I am going to pay an interest of 25% in just 6 months. Fabo, I know what I'm saying. It's a big time business. For all time's sake, please help me out because...
That's a tough one here. Anyhow, I'll try and come up with half what you're looking for, and you'll find the other half elsewhere. Come Friday and sign the necessary papers. Don't forget to bring the documents along.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will do just that. Thank you very much, my brother. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. Okay. Friend.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Miss ADOM. Yeah, please connect me to the bank manager. Hello, honey.
Hello, dear.
Are you expecting a visitor or you're waiting for me?
Waiting for you, of course.
Oh, yeah.
You are a bit late today.
Yes. You know, work, meetings and here and there. I'm tired and I guess I could do with some good food. Now, Trudy, what are you doing at home?
Dad, I have to come home.
You have to come home for what? Why are you not on campus?
She can come home at any time she likes.
What are you talking about? She can come home whenever she likes. Look, I didn't pay your fees for you to come and stay at home. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Dad, we have 2 weeks to vacation, and if I'm home, there's nothing wrong with it.
Good. 2 weeks to vacation, that means examination. Why are you not at your books preparing for examinations?
We're not going to have exams this semester. And again, Albert and Isiama will be coming home soon.
Now, you two had better be careful.
Girls, I'm back. So where's my glass? Here. You have 4 glasses here and you 4. I'm the 5th one, so where's the 5th glass? this look? What's going on?
Trudy. Trudy. Are you alright?
Yes, I am fine.
Girlfriend, what are you doing with that guy? You guys are worlds apart. He's just using you. A gold digger. Hey.
Excuse me, Jessie. Look, you can say anything about me, my life, but definitely not him. Look, what matters here is I love him, and that's final. None of you can say anything about it.
Everything love. Look at you. That guy is. But you're not talking about. You're talking about Lajan. And we are standing here talking. Excuse me, I'm not ready to talk about this.
What's this? The bat knew its ugliness and chose to fly at night.
Definitely, my dear.
Sweetheart, if you love him, go ahead.
You crazy. Madam Advisor.
Yeah, Mom.
Dad, I'm here. You have me.
Everybody's got talent. So if that girl is using her talent, how about you, Rosia? How about you, Albert? How about you? What are you using your talents for?
Dad, you see, after school, I will start using my talent. And, when? Dad, I don't think this is real. But Trudy can do this. Trudy, you can do this. As easy as you think, Albert. In order to come up with this thing, the person might have gone through a lot because it's not so easy. This thing is not real. This thing is not real. I'm telling you, it's real when you work hard at it. But this thing, Trudy can do it too.
I can do it better.
You can do it.
For me, I want to be a musician.
Oh, go for it, girl. Go for it. I'll be your producer.
You're going to be a musician. Fine.
Produce you, girl.
For starters, sing that song.
I should sing you what?
Sing that song for starters.
To us now.
You don't like boxing, Producer and singer.
Okay.
Look at our singer who is going to make me.
I will sing.
But I'm
Go ahead.
I will know.
No.
That's the way I thought. Okay, tell me what to sing. Start out.
I'm coming
No,
to
you
that
have.
song.
Come here, girl. Sit down. Now sing.
I didn't teach her this way. You're putting more pressure on her.
Shut up.
Okay, that's you sing this song.
You're gonna be a video.
welcome. You didn't tell me you were coming.
No. Where's Peter?
I've sent him outside.
Albert?
He's not around.
And how about Trudy?
Trudy's gone out.
Now, how come it's only Esiama that's doing everything outside there?
Damn, he's the only person around, so he has to open the gate.
No,
Where else?
Anna, what are you talking about?
Oh.
Anytime I raise this topic about the children, you quickly rise to their defense.
I'm not defending them.
All right.
There's nobody here, so Esiama has to be at the... What do you expect me to do?
Okay, just you be careful.
Oh, I'm tired of all this. Always Esiama, always. Why? I was just coming to welcome you, and then you hit me back with all those questions. What do you expect me to do? Oh.
Did you ask that boy to clean the car?
No, I didn't.
Do you know when he slept last night?
No.
As late as 1 a.m., that boy was up. And not just up, he was reading. Where were your children?
What do you mean, where were my children?
They weren't in this house, that I knew for sure.
You mean they are still not in this house?
Where are they?
But they are in their rooms reading.
I do hope so.
But why are you sounding like this?
I'm busy learning. I'm very busy learning. And to get these things done before tomorrow morning. Get them printed out before I can submit them.
Yo, man, listen up. I get a whole assignment like that. But man, I ain't giving my whole 100% time on that. Man, just brush it up and... Man, this new girl in town, man. This girl is so fascinating and enchanting. So beautiful, man. But you know, I managed to get some contact, right? I'm
so what?
Roll on it like that.
So what?
I mean, this girl can have a swing on just like that. Trust me, boy.
Albert, I don't know what's wrong with you. Look, don't tell me you are thinking of cheating on this girl. Deborah doesn't deserve this kind of present you want to go and give to her, okay?
Just know, baby. I know Deborah is cool, but hey, man. I bet you heard of this song by Lloyd, like something, you know. I know you're right, but I just want to change that girls. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to swap.
Ladies are not like shoes, you know.
I'm not choosing, but man, this guy is so hot, so beautiful. Man, Coach's party is coming on. Man, this the bomb. This the bomb. I mean, just go in time and just get what you want to wear.
Albert. You know I'm not down with those kind of things.
You shocking me, man. You need to get your mojo. We need to stop all these things, man. Stop this. Oh, this party, this is the hottest guy on campus. You know that in between me and you,
But if I want to free my mind, you know where I will go. Go and sit somewhere in the garden, relax, feel the naturalness of feel the ambience of the place. I mean, get myself relaxed, free my mind.
Joe, man, you sick, man. You sick. Trust me, you sick. You ain't know what's good. You ain't know what's good. Just snuggle. You know daddy's downstairs. Huh?
Well.
Let me take the book because you're going to ask me
cut
later.
the long talk. After you take me, I'll join you guys later.
Whatever, boy. You can pay me here.
Big babies. Yeah, what's that? The food will be ready in 15 minutes. On the menu, we have rice, chicken, spaghetti, sausage.
Oh, my favorite.
Your favorite. Hey!
What do you think you're doing?
You're too sensitive.
That's my feelings.
Hey,
No.
hey. I can't imagine your boyfriend or you having breast ups.
You're always funny. You're stupid, man.
I should be right under.
Stop. We are funny.
Your friend. Stop what? Shut up. I'm having my feelings down here. Hey.
Okay. Is the food not ready?
No.
I'm hungry.
Trudy, what's wrong with you?
Nothing.
You're thinking about something. Tell us. What's it?
Are you okay?
Are you thinking about your boyfriend? Huh?
You are not alright.
Why are you ready? Well, because we want to know. All right, yes, it's about my boyfriend. He's getting serious lately. He's talking about marriage.
Marriage? Pam 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 pam. Now,
I join you two as husband and wife.
Girlfriend.
Wake up. Wake up. Darling. Sweetness. Why do you want to sell your freedom to Mr. Nobody? Or you want to be Mrs. Trudy Nobody? Excuse me.
girlfriend. Sweet baby.
Mrs. Trudy Nobody.
You know what, Mr. Ado? Mr. Ado, be a man, okay?
Pull yourself together and be a man. Look here. We have over 20,000 Ghana cedis down the drain, and all you can tell me is to be a man. The money we are talking about here is even not my own. God, how am I going to handle this? How? Okay, you know what, Mr. Adam? What do we do? What do we do then? What do we do then? You leave me alone. I will have to think. You leave me alone. I have to think. Oh God. What do I do, God? How on earth will I be able to raise this money for this man? Eh? Oh God.
You don't look cheerful.
No, I'm not too happy with the way things are going on in the office and here at home. Business is bad, and my debtors are not being honest with me. Can you imagine Mr. Ado took a loan from me and now he's beginning to toss me about? I don't want to bring the law against him, but this is certainly getting serious.
Then talk with him. I know he's always been a faithful and good friend to you, hasn't he?
Yes, I've done all that. Yet he keeps complaining that he needs a little more time.
Don't you worry. Give him a little chance, and I hope he can settle it.
Now, honey, the other thing is the children. They are not serious at all with their lives. Look at Trudy. She just can't stay one full week on campus. She comes in and out of this house as if there is nothing at stake.
Dad, stop worrying about these children. Stop worrying about Trudy. She's old enough to take care of herself. More so, she told me she wanted to get married, so she'll be all right. Don't worry about it.
How can she start talking marriage when she can just sit behind her books and get one thing straight? Look, nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow. The more reason why we must be careful with the decisions we make today.
Dad, she will be all right. Leave her alone. Now let's talk about another thing and stop talking about Trudy.
How can I not stop worrying when I don't know who is going to take good care of the company? I'll bet he's not serious at all with his life. And I doubt if he can handle the company when I'm no more.
How can you say this? Dan, is it because they don't perform well in school or what?
No, that's not the point. It's because they are not serious at all with anything they do. Didn't you notice the manner in which Esiama comported himself the last time he was here? God, how I wish I have that boy for a son. If I have such a son, I wouldn't be having all these sleepless nights.
What? I can't believe hearing this from you. What a comparison.
My son, so when are you going back to the school?
In 2 days, sir.
Oh,
So soon. Oh, man.
I will really miss you.
Mommy, you don't have to worry, because I'm not going to stay there forever and ever. Albert and his parents have been so good to me. In fact, they treat me like their own son. Hey, I'm really comfortable there, mommy.
I'm so happy. You know, all this thing happened because God is with you. I just pray you continue to take good care of you till you finish your education.
I'm also praying.
What about your friend's mother?
Oh, Mrs. Pimpon, mommy. The woman has been so nice. She's so nice. Yeah. She treats me like my own son. In fact, the whole family, they are very nice and sociable people. Especially their father, Mr. Frimpong. He likes me so much.
Hey. So that's why you want to leave me?
Oh, mommy, no. You know you are my biological mother. I can't go and then stay there forever and ever. If I go, I will definitely come back. Because I need to go get myself a very good job after school. Come back here, then come and build a beautiful house for you.
Me?
Take good care of you.
Hey. So is that why you want to leave me to the city?
Nah. I want to come and take very good care of you.
Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm not saying you want to leave me. I was just pulling your legs.
Hey, mommy.
All I'm saying is that when you go back to the city, be very careful. And don't try to offend any of them. Be a good boy. Work hard and pray always. Because the Bible says you should pray without ceasing. It's okay.
I would be just that man.
It's my boy.
Mommy, I want to go and see Stephen. You know, since I'm here, I need to help them with their homework and all that. So
it's okay.
I need to go and see them so that I can help them to do their homework.
It's okay.
So I'm going. I'll come back, but not now. It will be in the evening.
I don't keep long.
Oh, mommy. I'll come back soon.
Greet his mother for me.
Okay, I will.
Hey, God. God, I thank you. Thank you so much.
Ajoa. You should have been there.
I wish I were there.
Oh. It was so beautiful. Well, now that you are telling me Trudy wants to get married, we have to organize something similar when the time comes.
See, that would be wonderful. But, do you know something? Things are turning bad in this house these days.
Why?
Hey, Dan has started complaining about everything my children do in this house. Today they are lazy. The next day they are not serious. They are not in their rooms. I don't know. And the worst part of it is he has developed some love for the boy. I don't know where that comes from. Do you know, Dan opened his mouth and told me he couldn't trust to leave his company into the care of my children when he is no more. Can you believe this?
This is serious. Act fast before your husband sees that boy as his own son.
And what do I do?
And wills everything to him. Not everything, no. Your children are going to share their father's wealth with a total stranger. Is that the boy?
He is the one. He is the one.
I think I saw him the other time I visited you. And as I was saying, act fast before things get out of hand.
But if Dan hates me for not treating him well, what am I going to do?
Don't be childish.
I'll try. Try to do what I can. I'll try.
This is your house. This is your home. And nobody can take it from you. If your husband doesn't like the idea, make this boy unhappy. Make him unhappy enough that he will live by himself. this boy knows how you and your husband suffered before getting this house. Hey, if it were me,
say it again.
I would throw him away like a paper.
Throw him away?
Oh yes, me, I'll do it. And you know me, love me.
Standing at this time. Hypocrite. Standing at this time. What do you hope to achieve? What do you hope to achieve? Look, what do you want? Shut up! Before you entered this house, there was peace between the father and the children. Now all that is to complain at everything they do. Eh? What do you hope to achieve? I don't want. Say a word again and you see. If you don't take it, I'll throw you out of this house. Hypocrite. Look, you can never succeed in ruining the family I've been able to build for all these years. Let me tell you. Foolish boy. Dare say a word again. Dare say a word again. And you will see what I will do to you. Look, if you are smart, use your intelligence to get your mother out of the property over there. And when I see you near my husband again, I'll throw you out of this house. Daddy, is he your father? Is he your father? Go and find your father. Go and find your father. I'll get you out of this house one day. Foolish boy. Dare say a word again. You will see what I will do to you. Say a word again. You will see what I will do to you. You will see what I will do to you. Come on. Get off my head. Come on. The time to study. Foolish boy.
Are going, look, I feel that I'm no more needed here. You just scrap this, man. Just stop disturbing yourself about all these things. My mom and dad love you, right? So what's your complaint now? What's your complaint, man? Let's just bash out, babe. You know what? You know that small heart place behind Auntie P's place, that club over there, memories, man. Let's just push tonight. Let's just roll and then we'll go, man. He's gonna be there. What's the one talking about, man? Give me a hand out. Give me some fingers, man. Just feel free. What's this?
this? Yo, man, I'm gonna take some cool shot, alright? They're gonna meet, huh? Alright, Jack. Oh, yeah!
I'll give you protocol.
What do you think about that?
Daddy, have fun. Alright, give me a go. She's meeting over there. Like I was telling you the time. Alright, shall we? Judy, are you ready?
Okay.
Don't fear anymore.
Come on, you know me. I'll stay with the champ. All right. Hi, Judy.
Where are you coming from, young lady?
Dad,
Trudy. Is that how you want to spend your youthful years? Is that how you want to throw everything to the wind?
Dad, I went to a friend's birthday party.
I went to a friend day party. Well,
In the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Let's come to something in there. Oh.
Stop it. Say! Don't sit down. I don't want you here. Get out. Come on, get out. Get out of this.
Mom!
Get out of this place.
Mom, please stop that.
Let him go.
Mom!
Go out of this place. No.
Mom!
Out. Out.
No, Mom. Please don't.
Let him go before I talk. Out you go. Out.
And this is the way you have
Get
to
out of this place. Come on, out.
Mom!
I am doing it for your own sake.
For our sake?
Yes.
Mom, please! What has this boy done wrong that you have to address him this way? Why?
I don't want him here.
Mom, can't you see you are humiliating me? What kind of life is this? Mom, what is this?
It's enough.
Because of food? Okay, Mom, take your food. Take your food. He's going, I'm going. Take your food.
It's for your own sake.
Mom, please. Why do you do that? What's the meaning of that, Mommy?
I don't want him here. I don't want him to sit together with us here.
How are you? Want to sleep here?
I'm not done with my assignment.
Good. Where is Albert?
Dad, they went out.
They?
Albert went out with Trudy.
Where have they gone to?
They said they were going to catch some fun.
Fun.
Yeah. At the nightclub.
Go ahead.
Please, Dad, is there anything you would want me to do?
That's all right.
Siama. Didn't you see me here?
I didn't see you. I could have too.
And where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the library.
Where did you get the money for the library? Because I don't remember giving you money for that.
I had little money on me, so I used it for transport.
Where did you get the money from? Because I know you can't get 50 pesos from that your uncivilized villager you call your mother. So tell me where you got the money from.
Mom, I had some little money on me.
From where? Where? Hey, where from this shirt? Is this shirt not from Ahmed?
He gave it to me, Mom.
He gave it to you how? Eh?
I've not stolen.
Tell me the truth. Where did you get the money from? Where did you put your hands down? Tell me. Where did you get the money from? Tell me.
I've not stolen any money.
Where did you get the money from?
I've not stolen any money.
Where did you get the money? Foolish boy. Where did you get the money? Come on, down here. Where did you get the money from? Tell me.
I've not stolen any money.
Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from?
I've not stolen any money.
Tell me. You don't take it. Come and stand here. Come and stand here. Come here. What about this canvas? Whose canvas is it? Is it yours? Bring me my slippers. Bring me my slippers. Is the canvas yours? Bring it to me. Foolish boy. Let me have it. Look at the bag and entry.
Where you get your license from? What is it?
Hurry up and leave. Come and meet me here. Come. Come and pack your things and leave this house. Come and pack your things and leave this house and let me be free. Pack your things and go. I can't talk. I can't talk. I can't talk. Listen, my husband is no more here. He is dead. You are also dead. Go to your village. Is that your house?
I don't have anywhere to
go. Go. Tell him to go away. Go. I said go away. I don't want to see you here. Go away. That's what I'm saying. Go. Or leave my life. Come on, get up. I want to go. Okay, pack it in. Come on, everybody. Go. Go. Leave this house. I don't want to see you. I'm tired of Esiaba. Everybody here, Esiaba. Who are you? Go away. Go away. Don't come back here again. I don't want to see you here. Foolish boy. Mama, please. You have killed my husband. You. It was you. Please. Look at my shoes. Come for them. Please. If you have your shoes there, come for them. Please. If you have your shoes there, come inside and take them. Please. Esiama, you are old. Stay here. You are old. Please. Am I your mother? Am I your mother? You are old. You, if you dare play tricks with me, you will suffer tonight. Play tricks with me. Peter, come for the shoes for him. Is that a shoe for him? Eh? Are you crazy? Go and get it to find it over there. Don't go into the house. Don't go into the house. Find it. If you don't find it, go and tell him. I'm a blessing to you again. Foolish boy. Two fools. These are the shoes. Where are the shoes? Come for them. Come for the shoes. Come again. Esiama, he's dead. You are still here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you want me to give you breast milk? What do you want? Where is Peter? Where? Peter? Bring me my slippers. Go and take my slippers. If you open this gate for this boy,
I'll open it.
If I happen to see this boy in this yard, you will die.
I'll open it.
Let me see him in this house. You will die. Look at him. He's like a cruel boy.
Get back on my feet again. Although I've feel so much pain. I'll get back on my feet again. Though I fall, I will rise again. I feel so disappointed. I thought my sufferings had ended, but here I am, falling. But I'll get back on my feet again. Souls had ended, but here I am, falling, but I'll get back on my feet again. I'll get back on my feet again. Said I feel so disappointed, thought my pains had ended, but here I am, falling, but I'll get back on my feet again. I'll get back on my feet again.
Mommy, it's me.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is all right.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mommy.
What about your friend and his family?
Mommy, they are fine.
God, why is it that this world good people don't last long? Oh, it's all right. I can see you are very tired now. I'm not going to do any work now. Let me pick up my cutlass. I'm coming. This man. This world. This man. God. Why? Why?
Mommy. Let me carry it.
Are you sure?
Oh. Okay. Please, give me
there. But what about your exams?
Oh, man, my exams. Fortunately for me, it went well.
Yes. God. I'm so thank you, God. I'm really glad. This your exam went. Thank you so much.
Peter!
Yes,
Peter! Can't you hear the horn? Go there.
Sorry, madam. Looking so great, Mom. That's what I'm talking about. Looking great. What you taking, Mom? Nice. Oh, let me tell you some shit, right? Just wait. There we go. So, Mommy?
Mommy is listening.
Do you remember what we discussed the other day?
Yes.
About, this is the woman we talked about, Mom.
Oh, I see.
She's Nadia.
Nadia. Well, you're welcome. Thank you. So, what's your full name?
It's Nadia. Nadia. Let me help you.
That's what I'm talking about, Mom.
Sit down.
Yes, from your name, I gather you are an Akan.
Ashanti.
Ashanti, yeah. Okay. Ose Prempe. I see. So, what's your job? What do you do?
She's a trained nurse.
Oh, trained nurse. Oh, have you got a nurse in our family? Well, Nadia, well, I have only one daughter, and you happen to be the next one, the second daughter. We live peacefully and happy. We are a happy, united family. If you are free, I am free. When you are happy, I am happy. I will see you more often.
Why not?
You have to be there. Then make a time, go to your house and know your people. Albert,
Mom.
Your selection is very good.
Fais-moi.
Excellent. 95% all.
Oh, yeah.
It's not 100.
Oh, Mom.
Okay, 100.
That's it. Yeah. Don't worry. This is between me and my mom, right? I'll teach you later, right? I'll teach you later.
So, what do you take?
I'll have water, please.
No, you can't take water. This is your first time here. You can't take water. You have wine, you have beer.
No, water will do. I don't take alcohol. So.
Water. No, you can't. Peter! No, you can't.
Peter!
Anything.
Excellent selection. Keyboards, keyboard.
Peter, what do we have there?
Madam, fruit juice, beer, soft drink, depends on what you want.
What do you want?
Orange juice.
Do we have the orange type, the fruit juice?
Yeah, we have
orange juice.
Okay.
Aye.
I have a sweet wine. Wouldn't you like to taste? Oh dear.
Mom?
You have to find something for yourself. What do you take?
I'm taking what you're taking, Mom.
Oh, Nadia. Well, so this is where we are. You'll be happy. I will know you will be happy.
You will, baby. You will. Because I'll make you happy.
He's a joker.
Mom, I'm not a joker. I'm just...
Oh, he jokes.
I made the right solution, Mom. You know, I got eyes.
I'm happy for you.
I got eyes just like my dad.
Oh, this is me. Oh, happy. Peter, hurry up.
Oh,
hey, my son.
You're already back.
Yes.
So how was service today?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. So how are you?
I'm fine.
You just wake up.
I didn't sleep early last night.
Mr. Computer. Give me a chance. Anyway.
Oh.
This is for you.
Letter. I've been sleeping.
What?
Hey! Me! Masters! Hey,
what
God!
Is it?
I thank you very, very much.
What
oh,
is
God! It? God, you are so good. Hey! Mommy!
What is it?
A scholarship.
Score what? No.
Hey!
Are you sure? Read it well.
Hey! Scholarship!
Read it.
Oh, God.
Sure.
Ah!
Scholarship.
Scholarship.
My son.
To study abroad. Free of charge.
Hey!
Scholarship. You so good.
Going to abroad.
Hey! You are kind.
Woo! Mr. Adam, we can't chase you for our money all the time. Are you not ready to pay the rest?
I will. I will.
We give you two more days. 2 more days. Or else, what you ask her to do to Mr. Frempong, we do the same to you. 2 more days, Mr. Adam. 2 more days. I'll come calling. Mr. Adam. 2 more days.